single hand I have to say that it is one of the wonderful program.
5 days को ट्रेनिङ मलाई चाहिँ एकदम इन्ट्रेस्टिङ लाग्यो किनभने यति सम्मको कुराहरू हामीलाई सिक्न पनि धेरै जरुरी थियो.
Take away from ScaleUp Birgunj.
So I'm really excited to be part of this event. This kind of event should be happen more and more often. And Birgunj
send my people to the sales pitch event. It was very nice. They've really appreciated it, and I wish we can have more such events in Birgunj. Especially give a more. I really want to get more into the artificial intelligence part, a more technical part. I wish ScaleUp Nepal comes up with this pretty soon. And on behalf of Birgunj Chamber of Commerce and Industries, I would again like to thank the whole team. Anudha is a part of our team itself, but has worked very hard day and night. I've seen you work very hard, and the whole team from ScaleUp Nepal.